महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
युवन् ऋलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् न्यमाङ्गणम् जभै घढदश् जबगढदश् खफ चठथ चठतौ कपै चषसर् हल् अकुग विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यमाङ्गणनां नासिका च एदैतो गो कण्ठतालु
ఏదైతో
కంఠతాలు
కంఠతాలు
ओदौतोगो कंठ ओष्टम
ఓదౌతో కంఠౌష్టం
कारस्य दंत ओष्टम
వకారస్య
जह्वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यम्
జిహ్వామూలీయస్య జిహ్వామూల్యం
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
నాసికాస్వరస్య
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
రామో
రాజమణి
రమేశం భజే
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमोः रामाय तस्मै नमः परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
రామస్య దాసోస్మ్యహం
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
ओजस् क्षस् ताभ्यां विस् ङेभ्यां व्यस् नसीभ्यां व्यस् अस् ओस् आम् ङी ओसुप् सु औजस् तिप्तस् झी तिप्तस्थ मिप्पस्मस् त आतां झ थास् आथां ध्वम् इट् वहि महिङ् तीतः अन्ते सीतः थ मी वह मह ते आते अन्ते ते आते द्वे ये वहे महे We are seeing sixth gana, chanting sixth gana dhatu. Can anyone tell me the dhatu what we saw last class?
Ish dhatu, ichati.
Ish dhatu. Okay. Ichati, right? Ish dhatu.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, prach dhatu, which also belongs to sixth gana. Prach becomes prach. Some prasaranam happens. We will see that later. Prach form becomes prach. not samprasaranam, sorry. Prach becomes prich. Yeah, samprasaranam only. But prichati. Anyway, not samprasaranam. Prach becomes prich. Looks like samprasaranam, but anyway, whatever may be. The form is prach dhatu becomes prichati, prichataha, prichanti. Right? Dhatu is prach dhatu. Prach becomes prich. So now latlakara. You do Sundarji. Latlakara.
Latlakara, prich that. Prichati, prichataha, prichanti. Prichasi, prichataha, prichata. Prichami, prichavaha, prichamaha.
Yes. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
करोति
करोति
कुरुतः
कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
करोषि
करोषि
कुरुतः
कुरुतः
कुरुथ
कुरुत
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
करोमि
करोमि
कुर्वः
कुर्वः
कुर्मः
कुर्मः
Kurute, kurvate, kurvate.
कुरुते
कुरुते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वते
कुर्वते
Purushe, kurvate, kurudve.
Purushe,
पुरुषे
पुरुषे
कुर्वाते
कुर्वाते कुरुते
कुरुद्वे
Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe.
Ve,
कुर्वे
कुर्वे
कुर्वहे
कुर्वहे
कुर्महे
कुर्महे
Takara, tam, an.
तकार
ताम्
ताम्
अन्
अन्
Sakara, tam, ta.
तकार तं
तं
त
Am, vama.
वाम
Ta, atam, anta.
आताम् अन्त
Thaha, atham, dvam.
थाः
ताः
अथाम्
आताम्
मम्
त्वम्
I, vahi, mahi.
ई वहि महि
Ganeshji.
लङ् लकार
Prachtat, yeah.
अपृच्छत् अपृच्छताम् अपृच्छन् अपृच्छः अपृच्छतम् अपृच्छत अपृच्छम् अपृच्छाव अपृच्छाम
Yes. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan.
अकरोत् अकुर्ताम्
ताम्
अकुर्वन्
Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta.
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
Akaravam, akurva, akurma.
अकरवम्
अकुर्व कुर्म
अकुर्म
Akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata.
अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
Akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudvam.
अकुरुद्धाः कुर्वात्ताम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुर्वम्
Kurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi.
अकुर्वी कुर्महि
Asti, staha, santi.
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
Asi, asi, staha, stha.
असि स्तः स्त
Asmi, swaha, smaha.
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
Asit, astam, asan.
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
Asan,
Asihi, astam, asta.
आसीः आस्तम्
आस्तम्
आस्त
आस्त
Asam, asva, asma.
आसम्
आसम्
आस्व
आस्म आस्म
आस्म
तु ताम अंतु
ताम अंतु
तम त
तं
तं
त
आनी आव आम
आनि आव
आव
आम
आम
ताम इताम अंताम
ताम इताम
ताम
अन्ताम
अन्ताम
स्व इताम द्वम
स्व
ताम
ताम ध्वम
त्वं
ऐ आवहै आमहै
ऐ
आवहै
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 आमहै
आमहै
माजी
पृच्छतु लोट लकार पृच्छतु पृच्छतां पृच्छन्तु पृच्छ पृच्छतं पृच्छत पृच्छामि पृच्छाव पृच्छाम
करोतु कुरुताम कुर्वन्तु
करोतु
करोतु
तां
तां
कुर्वन्तु
कुर्वन्तु
कुरु कुरुतं कुरुत
कुरु कुरुतं कुरुत
कुरुत
करवाणि करवाव करवाम
करवाणि
करवाणि
करवाव
करवाव
करवाम
कुरुतां कुर्वातां कुर्वतां
कुरुतां
कुर्वातां
कुर्वतां
कुरुष्व कुर्वाथां कुरुध्वं
कुरुष्व कुर्वाथां कुर्वध्वं
करवै करवावहै करवामहै
करवै
करवावहै
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 करवामहै
ईत् ईताम् ईयुः
तां युः
ईः ईतम् ईत
ईहि
ईतं
तं
ईत
ईयम् ईव ईम
इयं
इयम्
इव
इम
ईम
ईत ईयाताम् ईरन्
ईत
ईत
यातां
ईयातां
ईरन्
ईरन्
ईथाः ईयाथाम् ईद्वम्
ईथाः
ताः ईयातां ईद्वम्
ध्वं
ईय ईवहि ईमहि
इय
ईवहि ईमहि
Then Krishnaji.
लिंग फॉर्म पृच्छेत पृच्छेताम पृच्छेयुः पृच्छेः पृच्छेतम पृच्छेत पृच्छेयं पृच्छेव पृच्छेम
Yes. Kuryat kuryatam kuryuh
कुर्यात्
यातां कुर्युः
कुर्याः कुर्यातं कुर्यात
कुर्याः
कुर्यातं
कुर्यात
कुर्यां कुर्याव कुर्याम
कुर्यां
याव
कुर्याम
कुर्वीत कुर्वीयातां कुर्वीरन्
कुर्वीत
कुर्वीयातां
कुर्वीरन्
कुर्वीरन्
कुर्वीथाः कुर्वीयाथां कुर्वीध्वम्
कुर्वीताः
कुर्वीताः कुर्वीत्वम्
कुर्वीय कुर्वीवहि कुर्वीमहि
कुर्वीय
कुर्वीय
कुर्वीमहि
कुर्वीमहि
अस्तु स्तां सन्तु
अस्तु तां सन्तु
येधि स्तंस्त
येधि
संस्त
असानि असाव असाम
असानि
असानि
असाव
असाव
असाम
असाम
स्यात् स्यातां स्युः
यात्
यातां
स्युः
स्याः स्यातं स्यात
स्याः स्यात्
स्यातं
स्यात्
स्यात्
अथ
Syam, Syava, Syama.
यां
यां
याव
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 याम
याम
Rameshwari, you can read this Bhashita.
यस्माच्च प्रियमिच्छेतु तस्य ब्रूयात् सदा प्रियं व्यादो मृगवधं कर्तुं गीतं गायति सुस्वरम् यस्मात् च प्रियम् इच्छेतु
Yeah.
तस्य ब्रूयात् सदा प्रियं व्यादः मृगवधं कर्तुं गीतं गायति सुस्वरम्.
Yes. Priyam Ichet Tu. Priyam Ichet. Ding Lakara. Priyam Ichet plus Tu. Yasmat plus Cha. Just Cha and then strict present D. Okay, now, what do you understand this, Bhashitam? Can you understand this?
What? Tasya bruyat sada priyam, that is always speak loving words like that. Vyado mrigavadam kartum. Vyadaha, that is tiger, right? Tiger.
That is Vyagra.
Vyagra. This is hunter. Hunter kills the animals. Geetam gayati suswaram. So that is sing with suswaram, shruti, something like that. Melodiously.
What is the meaning?
Yasmat priyam ichetu.
From the Upamana, you can make the Upamayam. The Upamana seems to be Vyada and Mriga. So hunter is hunting. So therefore, through that example, what he is going to say, what he says, it cannot be what you said. Right?
No, that.
Yasmaj, okay, let me say. Vyadaha, okay. Now, where is the Kriyapadam? Second line. Vyadaha Mrigavadam Kartum Geetam Gayati Suswan. Kriyapadam is?
Asti.
No, Gayati. Gayati Asti, right?
Yeah, Gayati.
Kaka Gayati? Vyadaha Gayati. That is how, see, you have to see the Kriyapadam and connect.
Okay.
Vyadaha Gayati. What does he do? What does he sing? Geetam. Geetam is a karma. Gayati, first you have to identify the Kriyapadam. The karta is Vyadaha. Karma is Geetam. So Vyadaha Geetam Gayati. Understand this sentence form? Basic sentence form. How does he sing? Very melodious. Suswaram. So Vyadaha Suswaram. Vyadaha Geetam Suswaram Gayati. He sings a song melodiously, very melodiously. For what? Kartum is there. Tum pratyaya we know. Kartum, to do. What to do?
Mrigavadam.
Mrigavada is a karma for the kru dhatu in the tum form. To kill the animal. Mrigavada, right?
Yeah.
Mriganam vada, mrigasya vada, to killing of animals. So Vyadaha is not to please the animal. He is singing song to kill the animal, right? Sorry. So Vyadaha Geetam Suswaram Gayati. Kimartam Mrigavadam Kartum. The same way, Yasmat Cha Priyam Ichet. Tasya Bruyat Sadaha Priyam. Yasmat means from whom? From whom you want to gain something. Priyam Ichet. Priyam here can take it as a favor. From whom you want to gain a favor. Priyam ichet yasmat, from whom. Tasya, to him. You speak softly. Sada priyam bruyat. You want to gain some favor, somebody, then you have to talk to the person very lovingly. Yasmat here is from whom. Yasmat tasya, referring to the person. Yasmat, from the person. Tasya, to that person. To that person, bruyat. Here also kriya padam you have to take. Bruyat. Bruyat means
Speak.
may he speak. I mean, whoever wants priyam ichet, or whoever wants that priyam, some favor. Bruyat, let him speak. Sada, always. Priyam, very lovingly. Tasya, to him you speak. To him, let him speak very lovingly. From whom? Ichet, he desires. Priyam is a favor. Right? So that is his bhashita. Okay. Then we will continue with this Shatranta. Shatranta exercise we are doing. We'll do Shatru Pratyaya. We know it is Krit Sarvadhataka. So therefore Gana Vikarna will come. Shatru Pratyaya is added to Parasmipadi, Shanach to Atmaipadi. So far we have not seen Shanach, it will come later. Now let us continue the exercise, what we are doing. Yes, Sundarji, which sentence we need to do? I think
We finished 24.
25th we have to start.
25th you have to start. Okay, Sundarji, please do.
नेता पश्यति जनाः हसन्ति.
Yes.
पश्यन्
Yeah.
नेता जनाः पश्यन्ति हसन्ति.
Say it again.
Pashyan Neta. I am not getting the meaning of it. I am getting stuck there. That is Pashyan Neta Janaha Hasanti. They say that.
Neta
Pashyati, I'm just.
Okay, then the previous
Neta.
previous one you say that example. 24th. Pita shlagate putra gayati. Father praises.
Pita shlagate putraha gayati.
Father praises, son sings. So father praises the singing son. Son who is singing. Right? That is the connection. The same way here also.
Okay. That is.
So therefore now.
Neta Pashyati Janaha Hasantaha.
Janaha.
Neta Pashyati Janaha Hasantaha.
Asantaha. What is Asantaha? Asantaha. Neta Pashyati remains as it is. Right? Neta, whom does he see?
Yeah.
Whom does he see? Janan.
He sees the people.
He sees the people. Therefore, Jana must be in karma, right? Jana must be karma. Okay. Karma is Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, Janan. Neta Janan Pashyati. Right?
Hasantaha Janan Pashyati.
Why Asantaha?
The
Shatranta, the Patat Shabda. Patan, Patantau, Patantaha, Patantam, Patantau. What is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam of
correct.
Patat Shabda? There is no Nakara there.
Dvitiya.
It is Patataha only. Therefore, Asataha. Hasan, Asantau, Asantaha. Hasantam, Asantau, hasataha. So Janan is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Shatranta also must be qualifying the Janan. People who are laughing or smiling, right? So Neta Hasataha Janan Pashyati. Understand?
Yes.
It's clear?
Yeah.
Janaha Jano Janaha Janam Jano Janan. Janan is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Bhagavachanam I am taking because Janaha is there, Asanti. So therefore Asan Hasanto Asantaha Hasantam Asanto Hasataha, not Asantaha. Because it is not Sarvanamastana, therefore there is no Numahama there. It's clear, Sudarji?
Yeah. Got, yeah. 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 It is clear.
26th, do it. 26th.
Aham pruchami brata chintayati. Aham pruchami brata chintayati. Chintayantam. For brata, it will be brataram.
Brataram.
Chintayantam brataram. Or Chintayantam aham. Chintayantam brataram pashyami.
Prichami. Anyway. Prichami, not Pashyami here.
Prichami. Sorry.
Okay. You do the next one also.
Bhavan ma pidayatu bhaktaha japati. Yeah. Bhaktaha japati. Japan bhaktaha
Japan
bhavan
is
ma pidayatu.
Japan Bhaktaha. Okay. Japan Bhaktaha, when you say, Bhavan is also Karta. Japan Bhaktaha also is Karta. And Pidayatu is only one Kriya. So, to which Karta you will connect that?
Okay.
Pidayatu is a Kriya. Who is the Karta? Who is the Karma? That we have, that Karaka we have to fix, first to find out. Bhavan ma Pidayatu. You don't afflict trouble. So you are the Karta. And who is the Karma? Which is the Karma?
Bhakta.
Therefore you cannot say Bhaktaha.
Yes. Bhaktam. Japantam bhaktam
Japantam Bhaktam.
ma pide.
So Patan Shabda need to memorize. Patan Patantau Patantaha. Patan Shabda is not, this should be easy. So Japantam Bhaktam Bhavan ma pidayatu. Right? Next person.
Yes.
Ganesh ji. 28.
महेशः स्मरति बालकः गायति. So गायन बालकं महेशः स्मरति.
Gayan Balakam Mahesh. Yeah, okay.
Then जनाः श्लाघन्ते, जनाः श्लाघन्ते, सज्जनाः आचरन्ति. So आचरतः सज्जनाः सज्जनान्
Sajjanan. Okay.
जनान् जनाः श्लाघन्ते.
Shlagante. Janaha Shlagante. People praise the conduct of the people who are behaving well. Acharanti. Sajjanaha Acharanti. So Acharataha Sajjanan Janaha Shlagante. Good. Next one.
देवी उत्थापयति भक्त्या साधकः नमति. भक्त्या साधकः एकवचनं. So it is naman. So naman bhaktya
Naman. Naman is what vibhakti? Naman.
I'm taking it as Prathama Vibhakti.
Okay.
It should be Ditya Vibhakti. Namantam. So namantam bhaktya sadakam devi utthapayati.
Devi uttapayati. Again, say it again. Namantam sadakam.
Namantam bhaktya sadakam devi utthapayati.
So bhaktya will remain as bhaktya. So bhaktya namantam sadakam devi utthapayati. Yes, good. Next person, Namaji. 31.
Yeah. Janakah
Sorry.
Janakah tarjayati putram दूरदर्शनं पश्यति. दूरदर्शनं पश्यन्तं पुत्रं जनकः तर्जयति.
Yes.
विवेकः भोजनं खादति. विवेकः भोजनं खादन् अस्ति.
Yes. This is Kadati is equal to Kadan plus Asti.
Okay.
Okay. Then
So
similarly, this, please read this. You can read. Yeah, Vivek.
विवेकः धावति. विवेकः धावन् अस्ति.
Yes.
विवेकः चिन्तयति. भोजनं खादति. विवेकः चिन्तयन् भोजनं खादति. विवेकः भोजनं खादन् चिन्तयति.
Bhojanam Kadan Vivekah Chintayati. Okay, so why this example? Vivekah Chintayati Bhojanam Kadati is that. So Vivekah, I'm making this Vivekah Bhojanam Kadati. Bhojanam is the karma for the Khadadatu, right? So Kadati is the Kriya Padam there. That is the Kriya Padam, it's Lakara. So Bhojanam Kadati. Chintayan Vivekaha iti. Second line, Chintayati becomes the Chintayan becomes the Kriya Padam. So Vivekaha Chintayati. He thinks Bhojanam Kadam. So Kadati becomes here Shatranta, for which the karma is Bhojanam. So Bhojanam being the karma for Kad. So it remains karma always. Whether it is a Lakara or whether it is a Shatranta. Even if it is a Shatranta, Bhojanam remains a karma for the same Kriya, doesn't change. That is why this example is given. You can continue reading.
Yeah. विवेकः अपतत्. अश्वात् अपतत्. विवेकः धावतः अश्वात् अपतत्.
So Panchami I am using. Shatranta, different vibhaktis you are seeing here. First we saw Prathama vibhakti, then Dvitiya vibhakti, then slowly the other vibhaktis are coming. So Vivekaha apatat, from where? Ashvat. And what is the Ashvat doing? It is running. So Dhavataha. Dhavataha, what vibhakti? Panchami. Dhavataha Ashvat Vivekaha apatat. Dhavataha, it is Kriyapadam also is there. Dhavati, Dhavataha. But here it is Shatranta, not the Kriyapadam. The sentence is there like this. Vivekaha Dhavataha Ashvat apatat. So the tense of the sentence is determined by the main Kriya Padam. The Lakara, apatat, lang Lakara. So Vivekaha apatat. So Dhavataha can be only Shatranta. It cannot be the Kriya Padam. And Dhavataha is Dvivachanam also. And only one person is a Vivekaha. When you analyze a sentence or the shloka, if it is that, then you have to do the analysis like this. For that, these examples are given. Next person, Krishnanji.
Yes,
And one more thing here.
Ah.
See, here Vivekaha Apatat is there. Apatat is Lang Lakara, right? And Davataha Ashvat. What is Davataha? Shatranta, participle. So the action happened in the past. And the action happened simultaneously. From the moving hours, Viveka, he fell down, right? So, therefore, only this example, like these examples are there. I mean, this we have seen so many examples also with different tenses. Different tenses, past tense and present tense. Future tense we will see, that will come later. So that is why I translated the word as Shatranta as participle, continuous participle, not as present participle. If I translate as present participle, then the confusion will come. Davataha Ashvat Apatat. So present participle, does it happen now? No, it is not that meaning. Two actions are happening simultaneously. When it happens, the main tense, the main Kriyapadam determines the tense of the sentence. The other Kriyapadam will be in keeping with the whatever may be the Karaka there. That also happens simultaneously. That is why I translated, this confusion can come, that is why I translated as continuous participle. Right? So Vivekaha Davataha Ashvat Patati, present tense. Vivekaha Davataha Ashvat Apatat, past tense. What about the future tense? Viveka will be falling down from the moving hours. Can anyone say what could be the future tense?
विवेकः धावतः अश्वात्
Hmm.
पतिष्यति.
You cannot say like that.
Yeah.
Because Davataha Ashvat means will be, the horse is not moving now. It will be moving. So therefore future tense we have Shatranta. That's why I said we will see that later. Okay. The future participle it will come. So present participle means it is for the present tense and the past tense. The past, the two actions that are happening, we can use Shatra Pratyaya. In the present, two actions are happening simultaneously, Shatra Pratyaya can be used. Suppose in the future, two actions will be happening. That continuous also can be only in future, right? It can be because it is not yet happened. It will be falling. So therefore, we have to make the Shatranta also future. That is why it is there. Separately, we will see that it is future tense. We have to do it. Davataha also to be converted into future form. Okay, so anyway, yeah.
Dhavati Kriyapadam illiye. Vivekaha apatat, Ashvat apatat. And the Dhavati, how we can guess it, sir?
Davataha is it. Davati, Davataha, Davanti.
The Puranjada. So for those two sentences, we have written the answer, Ilya. Vivekaha, Dhavataha, Ashvat apatat. But in the question, Dhavati should be there, na?
In the question, Davati, what in the question? Question, yeah.
Vivekaha apatat, one sentence.
Okay.
Ashvat apatat, second sentence. And Shatrantale, we have written Vivekaha Dhavataha Ashvat apatat.
Okay.
So how we get that Dhavata? There, Dhavat, Ashwata.
The earlier line. She's referring to the earlier line.
Sorry?
One line above. No, I'm just saying that you are referring to the earlier line.
Oh,
along
okay.
with 35.
Yeah. Okay. Viveka Ashvat Apatat.
Oh, it is there in the earlier sentence.
Okay.
Okay.
In the earlier sentence, it is not there. It's a mistake. Okay. Vivekaha Apatat, Ashvat Apatat, Ashvaha Davati. One more sentence. That's what you're asking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. That's a valid point. Not that. We have to supply. Okay. It's okay. Doesn't matter. This, in this, we are now joining these two. So therefore, Davataha is supplied.
Okay. Adhyahara.
Yes. You have to supply from the moving hours.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Continue, Krishnanji. I think you are reading, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Aham yanam aroham. Yanam chalati. Aham chalatyanam aroham.
What is Chalathyanam Aroham? Okay, Yanam is Napumsakalinga. Aham Aroham. I climbed. What? Yanam, the vehicle. And the vehicle was moving. So, Aham Chalatyanam Aroham. I climbed the moving vehicle. Right?
Yeah.
I climbed the moving vehicle, or I climbed the vehicle which was moving. Aham Chalatyanam Arohami. The translation will be
Sorry,
Aham Chalatyanam Arohami. I'm climbing, or I climbed the moving vehicle, right? So when you do the translation, so I climbed the vehicle which is moving, that is present. I climbed the vehicle which was moving, right? So one is present, other one is past. So, but Chalatyanam remains same. Agam Chalatyanam Aroham. Agam Chalatyanam Arohami.
Okay.
So Chalatyanam being same, and the main Kriya, one is past, other one is present. Therefore, only the confusion will come. If I say present participle, is it not only related to the present tense? That is why I removed that and present the word and made it into a continuous participle. Now you can have same thing can be extended to future tense. You can extend, but Chalatyanam you cannot say. That will be the vehicle will be moving. So that also should be converted into a future. That will come later. That we will see. Okay, because future tense Rit Lakara is Ardhatuka. So Ardhatuka, whatever rules are there that we have to see, then we can see future tense. And in we have sutra for that. Ritaha Sattva iti. Another small information, Shatra and Shanaj. These are called by the word Sat, technical word. Mani Maharishi uses the word Sat. Sat means referring to this Shatra and Shanaj. When he gives a rule for this, he says, Lataha Shatra Shanachau Appatama Samanadi Karane. Lataha is very clearly says, Lataha is present tense. Lataha is Latlakara, present tense. That's why it's present participle, it is translated. But in the past also the action had happened simultaneously. You can use it. But in the future tense, if it is future tense, it says Ritaha Sattva. Even for future tense, you can use Ritaha. So that will be in keeping with the main Kriya Padam. The main Kriya Padam is future. So accordingly, the Shatra form will be future. Anyway, so in all the sentences what we are saying, you will be seeing examples of present and past. Two actions, one action, another action, two actions are happening simultaneously. So the main Kriya determines the tense of the sentence, and the other Kriya will be in keeping with the main Kriya, but it is Kshatranta, and it can bring its Karakas. Like here, Agam Chalat Yanam. Yanam is the vehicle. Yanam is what Vibhakti here?
Dvitiya Ekavachanam.
Therefore, Chalat also Dvitiya Ekavachanam. So Yanam being Napumsakalinga, Chalat also Napumsakalinga. So Napumsakalinga we have not seen. So don't worry about it. It comes later. So Chalat is Yanam is Napumsakalinga, therefore Chalat. If it is Pullinga, it will be Chalantam, something, whatever may be. Chalantam, then it will come. If it is Strilinga, accordingly it will change. Chalanti iti. That we will see. So we are saying only Pullinga. Strilinga, Napumsakalinga will change. So Shatranta, these Strilinga forms are there. Napumsakalinga forms are there. and it can be added to all the dhatus. Depending on the Gana Vikarana Pratyaya comes. So all those things we need to remember. Okay. So when you do a Shatranta, you have to find the dhatu, which Gana it belongs. It's important. Then only you can add the Shatra, because Gana Vikarana are going to come. Therefore, the knowledge of the dhatu belonging to the Ganas is important. Then what you derive is a Pratipadikam, and you want to derive in Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. That is the next thing. If it is Pullinga, it is simple like Patat Shabda. If it is Srilinga, then you need to add one more Pratyaya and then make it into a Srilinga Pratipadikam. If it is Napumsakalinga, it is simple, but Napumsakalinga declension is different. We have to see the Napumsakalinga declension. Okay. Krishnaji, continue, please.
Arjunah namati, Dronah patayati, Arjunah patayantam Dronam namati.
Okay, next person, Kameshwari.
Arjunah patati namati cha Dronah patayati. Patan Arjunah patayantam Dronam namati.
Understand the sentence.
Yeah.
Arjuna does two action. Patati namati cha.
Yeah.
So Patan Arjunaha, one Patan I make it into a Shatranta, Patan Arjunaha namati. Whom does the absolute? Drona. Dronam. And what does Drona do? He is teaching.
It's teaching.
So two Shatrantas are there. Patan Arjunaha, reading Arjuna, salutes the teaching Drona. Right?
Mm.
So Drona is doing an action, so which is Patayan, Patayati, so Patayantam. So qualifies Drona. And Arjuna, it does salutation, and he is reading. So Patan Arjunaha, Patayantam Drona.
Dronam namati.
Okay, here the Arjuna, he does two Kriya, Patan and Namati. Drona is doing only one Kriya, he is teaching, Patayantam. But Drona can be qualified by his action. That is what a Shatranta does. Okay. So Dronaha Patayati becomes Patayan Dronaha Patayantam Dronam. Patayan Dronaha is Karta. Patayantam Dronam is karma for the Namana Kriya of Arjuna. All these sentences is only for our understanding. Okay, there is no exercise here. Can you all follow the sentences? Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
It is only to give you the idea of Shatranta. There is no exercise here. Okay.
Sir, we can interchange the sentence words.
Which one?
So, Patayantam Dronam, Patan Arjunaha.
Why not? We can do it always. Yes, yes. Yes, but yeah, another thing is, yes. Patayantam Dronam, Patan Arjuna Namati, or yeah, Namati also you can place it before. That you always we can do. There is no problem with regard to placing the words.
Okay.
If it is Karaka, the Kriya Padam, you can place it anywhere. No problem. But here, the thing you have to note here is, suppose Patayantam, I place it in the here, in the place of Patan, and then Patan, I suppose if I place it here. Yeah, in this sentence, I think then also it is okay only. You want one big problem. Suppose if we place Patayantam before Arjuna and Patan before Dronam, right?
Yeah.
In this sentence, there is no problem, but in Napumsakalinga, you may have problem. But in Pullinga, there is no problem. Why? Okay, let me do that.
Acts as a adjective also.
Yeah, you have to find the vibhakti. See, I'm just doing it here. Patayantam placing here before Arjuna and Patan. Now, what is the translation of this sentence? Anybody?
Same.
It will be same only.
Yeah.
Why?
We have to combine Patayantam Dronam because of the Vibhakti. We can
Vibhakti.
identify.
Patayantam is, yes, exactly.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. So we
It
can
remains the
identify.
same. Yes. Namati Kriyapadam. And the Karta is Arjuna. And Patan is also Prathama Vibhakti. So Prathama Vibhakti is there. Therefore, one is adjective, other one is substantive. Patan is adjective. So Patan Arjunaha. So in your mind you have to form Patan Arjunaha Namati. Whom does he salute? Dronam, which is Dvitiya Vibhakti. And you have to see the sentence. Any Dvitiya Vibhakti is there qualifying Drona. Yes, it is there Patayantam. So therefore Patayantam Dronam. So in this sentence there is no problem because it is Pullinga, therefore very distinct. Whereas suppose if Napumsakalinga is there problem may come. Problem is because Napumsakalinga, Pratama and Dvitiya is same.
Correct.
So if Karta and Karma both are Napumsakalinga, then the confusion can come. There we have to place the words properly for our understanding, right?
Correct.
In Pullinga there is no problem. Whereas in Napumsakalinga, problem can come.
Yeah, thanks.
Yes. Continuing. Next person. Bhameshwari. Now, you have to translate. Okay, this is translation.
Okay.
Anuvadam Kuruta.
Okay. Sah griham gachan asti. He is.
Don't first start with the Kriya Padam always.
Yeah,
Translation.
asti is here like is only. Going to his house. Going him.
Not going him.
I don't.
Gachan asti is equal to gachati only. He goes to his house. He goes to the house. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, you
Gachan
showed some
asti is
example.
equal to.
Yeah, asti, you showed some example just now. 2, 3 example we did. 31 or 32 something asti we did.
It's the same
So
thing.
yeah, he goes to his house. He goes
To the house.
To the house.
Whose house we don't know. Okay. Yes.
Saha pustakam patan gacchati. He goes reading the book.
While okay, you can translate this way also.
Yeah, while going, he is reading his book.
Yes, he reads the book. Pustakam Patan. Reading book he goes. That is Patan Saha. He is reading. What is he reading? A book, and he goes also. So while reading a book, he goes. You can translate like that also. So in translation, we are going to see later. It will come reverse while and all. So you have to remember the Shatranta and do the translation. Even if while is not there, if two kriyas are happening simultaneously, you have to use Shatranta.
Sir, in the first sentence,
Yes.
present continuous mari irukuma. Saha.
Sanskritam, we don't have any, only one thing is there.
Continuous
Whether it is present tense or present continuous, it's gachati only.
Okay.
He is going or he goes. Both are gachati. That's equal to gachan asti.
Okay.
Here, one thing you can remember, gachan asti, it is not sadhu. Not sadhu shabda in the sense, I told about the
Spoken Sanskrit only there.
spoken Sanskritam, it is there. Because Panini Maharishi says very clearly, Lataha Shatrashanacha Apratama Samanadi Karane iti. So, Gachati only. Gachan asti, it is there in the Bhashayam. So, therefore we say, in the other than the Pratama, it must be used. Okay.
So he
Otherwise, what will happen? See, why he says, is asti, suppose if asti is not there, generally asti will not be there, we'll supply. Saha Ramaha, we say. Asti is supply, Saha Ramaha asti. Suppose here also asti, suppose if it's not there, Saha Grigam Gachan. That is not proper. Saha Grigam Gachati, you have to say. Grigam Gachan asti, we have to supply. So, see, what Shatranta does, Shatra Pratyaya does is, can replace the Kriya Padam, replacing the Kriya Padam by a noun form, right? So, Gachan is a noun. So, qualifying Saha. So, therefore, Kriya must be there. Kriya must be there. So, Asti, generally Asti, every sentence has got Asti. Asti or Asit, whatever may be, depending on the tense. But for this Shatranta, it cannot be asti shouldn't be separate because this only one kriya is that should be specified by the kriya padam gacchati iti. So therefore this is not a sadhu, considered to be a sadhu. Anyway, but we don't have problem, we can use it. The saying. Okay, the next question. Sundarji.
Yeah. Sa Khadan Pashyati. Okay. Sa Khadan Pashyati. While eating, he sees.
He sees. What happened to Visarga here? Sa only is there.
Saha Khadan. Yeshaha and Saha.
Very good. Yes.
The Visarga will get dropped.
Visarga will be dropped. Remember, here you cannot apply this, the Ardha Visarga, Jakha Mulia, right? Sakhadan, not there. Not there. Saha Khadan, Visarga is dropped. Visarga dropping. When does it drop? When followed by?
Kar.
Followed by. Not kar. Visarga of Yeshaha Saha, you said just now. Visarga followed by hal, consonant. Right? Does it drop optionally? Or it's mandatory? In a Sandhi situation.
It is mandatory. It is mandatory.
In a Sandhi situation, it is mandatory. When you're doing Sandhi, then it should drop. If you're not doing Sandhi, Saha can be there. Okay. Continue.
Tau Griham Gacchantau Staha. So it is same like Saha Griham Gacchan Asti. Here it is those two are going to their, not to their, those two are going to house.
Tau Griham Gacchanto Staha. Translation will be they two, I mean those two going to the house. Okay, continue.
Te Griham Gacchantaha Patanti Sma. They are going to the house while studying or while reading.
They Griham Gacchantaha te Griham. Gacchantaha goes along with te. While they go to the house, they studied. Right? Patanti Sma. What is Patanti Sma? Patanti Sma is equal to
Apatan.
Lung form. Patanti Sma. Suppose if you have remembering a lung form, saying any lung form of any dhatu, you can always add Sma. So Patanti Sma is indeclinable. It converts the Kriya Padam, the Latlakara Kriya Padam into a lung form. So Patanti Sma is equal to Apatan. Okay.
Or Patita Vantaha, we can tell.
Can use, but I have not taught.
It is also spoken Sanskrit only.
Huh?
Patita Vantaha.
Yes, I have not taught it here.
Okay.
We'll come to that later. So Patanti Sma is equal to Apatan. So Gacchantaha qualifies te. Gacchantaha. Griham Gacchantaha te. Patanti Sma. If you want, you can rearrange a sentence for your understanding. You can place the karma or the karaka corresponding to the kriya of the shatranta before the shatranta. Like in this sentence, Griham Gacchantaha te Patanti Sma. You can rearrange a sentence so that you will understand better. Okay. Griham Gacchantaha te Patanti Sma. Patanti is the kriya padam for, it's a kriya for, action for te. And Gacchantam Gam is there, for which the karma is Girha. So place the Karaka closer to the Kriya of the Shatranta. So Girgam Gacchantaha. Girha is the karma for the Gamana Kriya. And Te Patanti Sma. Te Patanti. Patana Kriya, Te is the Karta. Right? So you can rearrange a sentence to understand it better. Continue, Sundarji.
But patanti sma, what you said, I did not.
Patanti sma is equal to apatan. They is their Bhagavachanam, therefore patanti, right? But is it
Yeah.
it is latlakara? No. Patanti sma is there. Sma is a particle. It will convert the lat form into lung form. I mean the meaning wise. Patanti sma is equal to apatan. Instead of saying apatan, you can say patanti sma. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Instead of saying apatan, suppose if you don't know the lung form of the dhatu, but you know only the lat form, then you say the lat form
Okay.
in keeping with the vachanam of the karta and add sma.
Okay.
Agam kadami sma. What does it mean?
Aham akadam.
Agam akadam. Yes, the same thing. Suppose akadam you don't remember immediately. You just say agam kadami sma.
Okay.
I ate. The same thing here also. Okay, please continue.
Balaha kridantaha gayanti.
First you rearrange the sentence and then do the
gayanti.
translation.
Balaha gayanti. Kridantaha balaha gayanti.
Yes.
The girls who are playing are singing.
Yes. Girls or boys, whatever it could be. Right? Because bala or balaha, both forms are.
Yeah.
Vachanam will be same. Next person, Ganesh ji.
Griham gachantam mam pashya. So here I think it's lot lakara.
Yes.
So pashya is to see. So you, tvam, tvam pashya, tvam mam pashya. You see me.
You see me, yes.
So griham gachantam. So gachantam is shatranta. So you see me going to my house or to the house.
Yes. So, Griham is what vibhakti?
Graham here is, I think, Dvitiya Vibhakti.
And Mam is what vibhakti?
Mam to me. So that is also Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Who is
Both are Dvitiya Vibhakti. Tvam Pashya. And that becomes
Karta, right?
That becomes a Karta. Tvam.
So now, what is the mean? What is the kriya? Pashya, darshana kriya.
Pashyan.
For the karta is tvam. Now for the tvam, for this darshana kriya, which is the karma, mam or griham? You see the house or you see me?
You see you see me.
You see me. Therefore, mam is the karma for the darshana kriya. So pashya, tvam mam pashya, right?
Right.
And what do I mean, where do I go? Agam griham gacchami. So griham, agam, see the sentence if you want to split. Tvam mam pashya, agam griham gacchami. Right?
Right.
If you want to split that into two sentences, tvam mam pashya, agam griham gacchami. So when you join griham gacchantam mam, agam becomes mam, right? Tvam pashya. So gamana kriya is for me, and gamana kriya has got the karma griham. You have to understand. Gacchanta gam dhatu is there, for which the karta is aham, which is in Dvitiya Vibhakti mam, for the darshana kriya. And griham is a Dvitiya Vibhakti for the gamana kriya.
Right.
Right? So
to translate, then we can say, while I'm going to the house, you see me. So while going to the house can mean.
You can see, you can translate like that. Yes.
While I'm going to my house, you see me.
You see me, yes. So therefore you have to connect the karaka corresponding to the kriya properly. Pashya, for that pashya, mam is the karma. For gamana kriya, griham is the karma. And for the gamana kriya, aham is the karta. Okay. So you have to see all these things very clearly when you study and you translate. Okay. Continue.
Sharanji, I have a doubt here.
Yes.
So the doubt is, it will be the same for while you are going to the house, you are seeing me.
While you are going out, suppose if you say while you are going,
Instead of I.
while suppose you are going, suppose you say, right? You are going, you is Pratama Vibhakti.
Tvam griham gachasi.
Uh-huh.
Tvam mam pashya. Suppose we want to join them. Griham gachantam mam pashya will be applicable for that also.
Griham gachan tvam mam pashya, it will come. Tvam, for which the Gamana Kriya will be gachan, because karta. Right? Griham gachan tvam,
Okay.
you who are going to
Yes,
the house, mam pashya. So gachan will be there. It qualifies the karta. Here, gachantam qualifies the karma of darshana kriya. Gachantam, that is mam.
Yeah.
It qualifies mam. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Continue.
Thank you.
Idam pustakam patate mohanaya dehi.
See, in all the sentences, slowly I'm introducing the other karakas for your understanding. So that first we saw Pratama Vibhakti, then Dvitiya, Tritiya, then Panchami, all Vibhaktis are coming. You have to see that. Yes.
So dehi, first time I'm saying this, like Bhavati Bhikshan dehi. I think that
Dehi means it's a lot lakara. Okay. Lot lakara.
Tvam dehi.
Yes, exactly.
You
Tvam
give.
dehi.
You give. So
You know why it is Bhavati Bhikshan Dehi? Bhavati
I
Bhikshan
think
Dehi.
Srilinga.
Because generally woman gives Bhiksha. When you go to the house and ask for Bhiksha, who comes first and give Bhiksha? Woman. That's why Bhavati. We don't say Bhavan Bhikshan Dehi.
Dadatu it becomes.
No, if
Bhikshan dadatu.
the tradition I'm saying, when sannyasi goes and asks for Bhiksha, who comes and offers Bhiksha from the kitchen, bringing food? Woman gives. That's why Bhavati Bhikshan Dehi. Bhavati is Sambodhana.
Right.
Addressing the woman. Bhavati. Yes. Srilinga.
Yes. I thought translation is Bhavan Bhikshan Dadatu. So it's
No. Bhavan Bhikshan Dehi also, why not?
that's also
Bhavan Bhikshan Dehi also you can ask if the person is masculine.
right.
But generally the phrase will be Bhavati only. Because it is woman only gives Bhiksha, that is why.
Right. So,
Yes.
so it's
So
Tvam.
Dehi is lot lakara madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Tvam Dehi. Yes.
Tvam dehi. So you give. So
What do you give?
Pustakam. Sorry, Pustakam.
Yes. Pustakam Dehi. And Pustakam has got adjective. What adjective? Simple word.
Patate.
No. Simple word is the adjective.
Idam.
Idam.
This book. Biggest book.
This book. This is the adjective. Idam is what linga, what vibhakti now?
It becomes Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Idam pustakam is Dvitiya, idam is also Dvitiya. Because
Idam
adjective.
pustakam.
Tvam idam pustakam dehi. Kasmai.
Mohanaya.
Mohana is what karaka now? For the dhatu. What karaka Mohana?
Sampradana. Mohanaya.
Sampradana.
Who is the recipient?
Recipient. So Mohanaya. Tvam dehi, pustakam dehi Mohanaya. So for Dana Kriya, Mohana is the recipient, right? So it's Sampradana. And Mohana is doing one action. What is that?
Patate.
Patate is?
Patate also is Chaturthi Vibhakti.
What does it mean? Patate Mohanaya? Mohanaya Chaturthi.
For him to read.
Not for him to read. Why? What to read? Not Patitum.
Patate.
What is Patate? Is it Atmanipadi? Patate.
No,
No,
Chaturthi.
it's not. It's Saptami actually.
It's not Saptami.
Chaturthi it is.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. Patan, patantau, patantaha, patantam, patantau, patataha, patata, patadbyam, patadbihi. Then
Patate.
Patate. Mohana is doing reading action. Okay.
Right. So you have to take Patan Shabda.
You give this book to the Mohana who is reading.
Right.
So Patate Mohanaya. So Mohana does Chaturthi Vibhakti. Mohana doing the action of the reading. Therefore, the Shatranta will be the vibhakti will be in keeping with the mohana, which is sampradana. So chaturthi vibhakti only.
So patate mohanaya.
Patate mohanaya, right? Same like what we saw. Suppose the previous examples we saw all in Dvitiya vibhakti. Now it is coming in Chaturthi. Right? Same. Patati, you said Saptami. That is Saptami, not Chaturthi. Patati.
Yeah.
So remember
I took it as Saptami, not with Patan Shabda. It's like in Rama Shabda, Rame.
Not like that. Yes.
Yeah. So
not like Akara and the pulling. It is Patan. Yes.
Yeah. In Patan Shabda, it is Chaturthi. Patate.
Remember Marut Shabda. Marut actually is like Marut only.
Pachat Shabda.
Pachat, yeah. Pachat from Tritiya onwards is like Marut only.
Marut.
So it's a Halanta Shabdas. Therefore, Marut, Patat, important. Continue.
So, Vrikshat Patanti Phalani Pashya. So here also it is Lot Lakara. Tvam Pashya. Tvam
Pashya. What do you see?
Phalani.
Phalani.
So, Patanti Vrikshat from the tree.
Okay. Patanti, one more Kriya Padam is there, right?
So this is Patanti Phalani Pashya. So Pashya is...
This sentence really will be confusing. What is Patanti? One more Kriya Padam is there.
Falling fruit.
Patanti is...
Phalani. So I think...
Okay, Patanti, is it a Kriya Padam or not?
Patanti is a Kriya Padam, yes. But here I think it's Satanta. That's what I'm guessing. Because here already Pashya is the... Pashya has already become the Kriya Padam. So Patanti then becomes...
Okay, if it is Patanti...
Napumsakalinga.
Very good. Yes. Patanti is Shatranta. It's Napumsakalinga Shatranta. We have not seen Napumsakalinga. Don't worry. The sentence we can skip now. Because Patanti, we don't know. Napumsakalinga, or I can introduce Napumsakalinga. Okay. You can take the Shabda Manjari. Just on Shabda only I refer. Not, okay, 1 minute. I'll open the Shabda Manjari. Shabda Manjari can take the Shabda Jagat Shabda as an example. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Shatranta will be like that. Just a minute. I am opening the Shabda Manjari. Page number 3. Yes. I'm sharing that. Now you can see in the screen. Shatranta for Napumsakalinga. Okay. Do you see Jagat Shabda?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can chant. Takarantaha Napumsakalingaha.
Takarantaha Napumsakalingaha.
Patat Shabdaha.
Patat Shabdaha.
So Jagat we are converting to a Patat now. Patat, Patati, Patanti.
Patati, Patanti.
Note that Shatranta will be like Jagat Shabda. So Patat, Patati, Patanti. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti. Patat, Patati, Patanti.
Patat,
Patati, Patanti.
From Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, same as Pullinga only. Right? Pachat Shabda. Patata, Patadbyam, Patata, Patadbyam, Patadbihi. So from Tritiya onwards, same as Pachat Shabda. So Pachat Shabda, you know Pullinga. First you should know the Pachat Shabda, Pullinga Shabda. Pachat or Patat, whatever may be. Example we have seen. That Shabda you need to know. Then for Napumsakalinga, know this Jagat Shabda. Jagat Shabda is Pratama, it's not a big Shabda, it's very simple. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti, Patat, Patati, Patanti. Now, Patanti, you can see Pratama and Dvitiya, the forms are same. Patat, Patati, Patanti, Patat, Patati, Patanti. Now in the sentence, Patanti Palani is there. What is that Patanti Palani? Is Patanti Kriya Padam? No, it is not a Kriya Padam.
No.
Because Kriya Padam already is that Pashya. Om Pashya. So, Kani
Dvitiya
Pashya.
Vibhakti.
Tvam Palani Pashya. And for Palani, the qualifier is Patanti. Patanti what Vibhakti, Ganeshji?
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Ditya Bhakti. What Vachanam? Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Qualifies Palani, right?
Right.
So, and for one more word is there, what in the sentence?
Vrikshat.
Vrikshat.
From the tree.
Yes. So, Vrikshat patanti palani tvam pashya. So, patanti shatranta dvitiya vibhakti bhagavachanam, qualifying the palani. That is also dvitiya vibhakti bhagavachanam, karma. Karma for darshana kriya. Understand this?
Yes, sir.
If you understand this, the same
You
thing.
see the falling fruits which are falling from the tree.
Yes, you see the falling fruits from the tree.
From the tree
Yes.
could mean that he is in the tree, but
Sorry?
which are falling from the tree.
Yeah, which are falling from the tree. Yes. Now, since I introduced this Napumsakalinga, the previous noun also you can see. Where is that? Yanam was there, Chalat Yanam. Somewhere we saw. Yeah, here it is. Krishnan, I think you read this, right? Chalat, the
Yes.
sentence.
Yes.
Now, Chalat Shabda, can you decline Napumsakalinga?
Chalat, chalati, chalanti, chalat, chalati, chalanti.
Yes. Now, Yanam is what vibhakti in the sentence? Yanam.
Dvitiya ekavachanam.
Therefore, Chalat is
Dvitiya ekavachanam.
Yes. So now you understand why it is Chalat here. It is because it is Napumsakalinga. Qualifying Yanam, which is Napumsakalinga. So Napumsakalinga, you know, very simple. Then next person, Ramaji.
Yeah. Gachan Vriddaha Hasati. The old man laughs while going.
While going, he laughs also, okay. Right?
While going, the old man laughs.
Yes. Continue.
Griham Gachantaha Balakaha Shikshaka Akatayat. Shikshika Akatayat.
Okay.
Mm.
What does it mean?
Griham
Who is the Karta?
Shikshika. Oh, no.
Sentence is confusing, right?
Mm.
It's not confusing. Think very clearly. It's not confusing. Find out the Kriya Padam. Which is the Kriya Padam?
Kriya Padam is Akatayat.
Akatayat, what Lakara?
Is
What Lakara? Lang Lakara.
Lang Lakara.
What Purusha?
Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Yeah. Then which is in Ekavachanam in the sentence?
Shikshika is in the Ekavachanam. So,
Shikya is Ekavachanam.
yeah.
Right?
So, Akatayat.
Suppose if it's Shikshikaha, can it be Shikshikaha?
No, then Bahuvachanam.
Shikshika. Why not Shikshikaha? What will happen Shikshikaha?
Then Akatayan.
Yeah, very good. Then Akatayan will come.
Yeah.
But Shikshikaha could be there. Even if it has been there, that Visarga would have. What would happen to Visarga?
Yeah, it will become Yakara and then Lopaha Bhavati.
Lopaha. That is also possible, right?
Correct.
Shikshikaha also possible. But it's not Shikshikaha. Why? Because
Akatayan should
Akatayan. Akatayan. That is why always I ask you to see the Kriya Padam first.
be.
If you have see the Kriya Padam first, Akatayat, therefore it must be Shikshika. It cannot be Shikshika. Sandhi, there is no Sandhi there.
Yeah, correct.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
Shikshika Akatayat. Teacher told. Okay. Then Balakaha also is there. What is Balakaha then?
Gachantaha Balakaha.
Oh, there's a mistake in the sentence, I think.
Balikaha should be.
Balakan should be.
Okay.
Griham
So it is.
Balakan Shikshika.
No. It is Shikshika. Okay.
Shikshika Balakan or Balika.
I'm just changing the sentence. Okay. I'm just making the Akatayan. Making it Akatayan. I'm just changing the sentence. Either I have to change the Balaka, make it Balika. Instead of that, I just make the Shikshika Akatayan. Okay. Yes. Now you can translate.
Now also it should be Dvitiya Vibhakti le varano ilya. Gachantam balakan, gachatah balakan, shikshikaah.
Why balakan? I'm not making it. Now akatayan I change the kriya pada.
Okay.
The sentence will change. The translation will change now.
Then balakaha akatayan will come.
Yes. Balakaha
So now the
akatayan.
meaning is going to change. Okay.
Meaning is going to change. Yes. I changed it. I think.
Kam varano ilya appo.
Why not? Why shikshikam? Bharataji, why shikshikam?
Whom they told.
Why should be only one person? Right? It can be many people. The sentence is correct only now.
They told because Shikshika Visarga Lopa.
Yes, many teachers. Right? Yes, now Ramaji, translate.
Okay. Then that is Balikaha, Sharanji, or what is
No. Let it remain Balakaha. I don't want to change that. If we change Balikaha, then accordingly I have to change Gachantaha. That's why I made it one small change, which will make the translation easy. If I change Balikaha, then I have to change Chatanta also. So instead of changing two places, only one place I change it.
So all are in Prathama Vibhakti Gachantaha, Balakaha, Shikshikaha.
No, now Shikshikaha cannot be in Prathama. That is what you have to do it. Now Shikshikaha cannot be in Prathama.
Oh, okay. And
First you take the Kriyapadam, Akatayan, who is the Karta.
Now Kriyapadam will be Gachantaha Balakaha, Akatayan.
Kriyapadam is Akatayan. Karta is?
Karta is Gachantaha Balakaha.
Gachan. Okay, Gachantaha Balakaha. Okay.
Then Shikshikaha will be the Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Yes, that is karma.
Yeah, karma.
And where the boys are going?
Griham Gachantaha Balakaha. So
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you can translate. The boys who are going to the
house.
Who are going to the house told
the teacher.
Teachers.
Yeah, teachers.
The sentence is simple now.
Yeah.
If we make it Balikaha, then I have to change the Shatranta. That becomes a problem. Because we don't know Srilinga Shatranta. That's why I did it. Simply say this. Okay, next sentence. Please continue.
Vikasanti Pushpani Jigra. Jigra is Lot Lakara, Madhyam Purusha. So Tvam Jigra. Flowering flowers. Sorry.
Bloomed. That's correct only. Flowering flowers. Bloomed flowers. Blossomed flowers.
Bloomed flowers.
Pushpani. What is the Shatranta there?
Vikasanti Bahuvachanam. Pushpani Napumsakaling Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Vikasanti. Vikasanti. Vikasantam. Vikasat only. Vikasat, Vikasati, Vikasanti.
There is no Vikasantam. Vikasat, Vikasati, Vikasanti. Vikasat, Vikasati, Vikasanti. Krishnaji, next sentence.
Janakah tarjayan putrim akatayat. Kriyapadam akatayat. Janakah akatayat. So tarjayan putrim. So father. Tarjayan is cold.
Tarjayan is threatening with Tarjani, with the index finger, no? You are that one. Threatening, abusing.
Okay, so father threatens daughter and tells.
Tarjayan Janakaha, while threatening.
Akatayat, towards lung.
He told. While threatening, he told the daughter.
Sir, Tarjayan வந்து பிரதமால இருக்கு இல்லையா? புத்ரி means okay, Tarjayan Janakaha Putrim Akatayat அப்படியே.
Tarjayan for the Janaka.
Oh, okay.
The sentence will be like that, but in your understanding it is Tarjayan Janakaha Putrim Akatayat.
Okay.
While threatening, father told the daughter. Right? Continue. Krishnanji.
Rudantam balakam bruhi. Kriyapadam is bruhi.
Bruhi means tell. You tell.
Is it lot bruhi?
Yes. Yes.
Tell.
You tell.
You tell. So tvam bruhi. So you tell rudantam. So balakam is ditya. So rudantam balakam. So you tell crying boy.
You tell the crying boy. Right? Rudantam. Samantakana. Rudan, rudantav, rudantaha, rudantam. We have seen in the examples itself. Rudantam. Continue.
Brahmanaya danam yachantam nripam pashya.
Yes.
Pashya is a kriyapadam lot.
Kaka pashyati?
Tvam.
Yes.
Tvam pashya. So you see. You see the king.
Yes.
You see yachantam nripam. Yachantam danam. So you see the king who is giving.
Yes.
To Brahmana.
Yeah. You see the king who is giving dana to the Brahmanas.
To the Brahmana.
So, Tvam Pashya, Darshana Kriya, the Karta is Tvam, and the Karma is Nripam, right?
Nripam.
Now, the Nripam has got all the adjectives. Yachantam. Yachantam is Shatranta. Yam Dhatu is there. Now, the Dhatu brings its Karaka. You see, for the Yach Dhatu is a Karta.
Nripam.
Nripa is a Karta, not Nripam. Nripa is a Karta, right? Nripa. And the Karma is Yam Dhatu, Dhanam. And the Sampradana is
Brahmanaya.
So, Dana is the Karma for Yam and Brahmana is the Sampradana for Yam Dhatu. So, Yam Dhatu can bring its Karaka, right? And Pashya is there. That Dhatu also can bring its Karaka. One Karaka is Nripam, Karma. So, in the sentence, you will be seeing like this. You have to place the words properly to make it into a meaningful sentence. Brahmanaya Dhanam Yachantam. Brahmanaya Nripam Pashya. You cannot, Brahmana, you cannot connect to Pashya. Can you connect?
No.
No, you cannot connect. Somebody Dhanam also. Nripam Dhanam Pashya, you cannot ask. You're asking to see the king. And the king is doing the action of giving. Giving what? Dhanam. To whom? Brahmana. So, Brahmana, Dhanam, these are the Karaka, Sampradana and Karma Karaka respectively for the Yach Dhatu. That is what you have to see, right? Next person, Kameshwariji. All of you understand this? It's a good exercise, practice. And Kshatranta must be clear. Do you have any doubts, Kshatranta? Kshatranta should not become Shatruanta. Okay, Kameshwariji, please read.
Dhavantam balakam vada tvam vada. So you speak to the running boy.
Yes.
Then
Continue.
Kelad bihi or kridad bihi balakaihi saha tvamapi krida. Kela. You also play.
Which is the main Kriya Padam?
Tvam. You
Kriya
play.
Padam Kriya. Okay. Karta is Tvam.
Yeah. You play. So you also play with that
Boys
who
are playing.
So you also play with the boys who are playing.
Yes. So here Balakaihi, what Karaka is that?
Tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam.
What Karaka is that?
Oh, I'm sorry. That is Karana Karaka.
Is it a Karana Karaka?
Third means.
Third means doesn't mean karaka. It is not a karaka vibhakti at all. It is a upapada vibhakti. You have seen upapada, right?
Yeah. Saha is there.
Saha.
Yeah, upapada. Yeah.
So saha tritiya, it is upapada, not karaka.
Yeah.
So that is why that's specifically a saha tritiya. That's when you read also, I saw that you read saha separately. When you read, you have to read together. Balakaihi saha you have to read. Not balakaihi and then saha.
Okay.
Edadbigi balakaihi saha. There you can pause. Not after balakaihi. Then only it will become meaningful. Balakaihi saha. Saha tritiya. Tum api krida. You also play. Right?
Yeah.
So balakaihi has got shatranta, which is keladbihi or kridadbihi. Balakas are doing action. Goes along with the karta, tritiya vibhakti. Okay, continue.
Kadan ma vada.
What is it?
Here we have to supply tvam.
Yes.
While eating, don't talk.
Yeah.
Don't speak.
Yes. Who is the karta?
Tvam.
And kadan is what?
Satran.
Huh? What is it?
Shatranj. Shatran.
Not shatranj. Shatranta. Shatru pratyaya plus anta shatranta. Okay. So kadan is karta to, sorry, it's an adjective to tvam. You, while eating. Right? Kadan is tvam kadan. You are the person eating. Mavada, don't speak. While eating, don't speak. Right? You don't speak while eating. Yes. Next person, Sundarji.
Yeah. Karyam kurvan pita putrim apruchat.
Take the main kriya padam first.
Father, pita apruchat. Pita putrim apruchat. Karyam kurvan pita putrim apruchat.
Yes, good. That's how you have to take it. Yeah.
The father, while doing the work, asks the daughter.
Yes. So, kurvan, pratama vibhakti, qualifying the pita. And krudhatu. Krudhatu qualifies, brings its karaka, karyam, dvitiya vibhakti. Right? Okay, next sentence.
Jagrat putraha parikshayau patati. Parikshayai patati. Jagrat putraha parikshayai patati. Okay. The waking boy reads for the exam.
Read for the exam. That is in bracket I given parikshartam, for the exam.
Parikshartam.
So Jagrat, what is Jagrat?
Jagrat is
Shatranta.
Shatranta, pratama vibhakti, singular, ekavachanam.
But so far we have seen patan, pachan, khadan, pratama vibhakti, right? Pullinga.
This is that seven.
Very good.
This is second gana, the 7 exceptions you gave. No?
7 dhatus. Please note that. Yes, exactly. So therefore you will not get jagran. This is the third gana. Remember, third gana and the 7 dhatus of the second gana will not be getting numagama when sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. That is, sarvanamasthana pratyaya is the first 5. Since this is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam, and that belongs to the second kana, 7 dhatu, so jagrat only. Note this, important. So jagrat, not jagran. Okay. So when you decline jagrat, like marut shabda, jagrat, jagratau, jagrataha, jagratam, jagratau, jagrataha, jagrata, jagratbhyam, jagratbihi. Okay. Fine. I think we can stop here. This sentence you can remind me. We'll start from here in this next class. Okay. You have any doubts? You can please ask. I'm going at a slow pace only, Shatranta. A lot of exercises are that we will do. So it'll become more and clear. If you have any doubts. In general, if you have doubts, you can please ask. Is there or no? No doubts?
No, Ji.
No doubt as of now.
Is it difficult to follow?
Not difficult. Not difficult.
Not difficult.
Not difficult.
Okay, we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.